46 here. For this video, I would like to thank Jen for this gift and of course to the beautiful girls here. Naksama na yan. Thank you for today sa birthday celebrations. Hi naman kayo dyan. Ang gaganda oh. Sherlyn Gonzalez, Carla Villana, Bea Alonso, Sugar Mercado. Naks, open na natin.
Yes.
Ano, ready ka na ba? Saan mo ito nabayla?
Somewhere out there. Ay.
Gusto ko to, so open na natin. At si Baby Girl.
Nagwawala na, gusto na rin mag-unboxing.
So, pipigit ako ha. Siguro medyo ilalapit-lapit mo siya ate. Okay lang ba sa videographer? Thank you so much! Excited na! So, anong color tingin nyo, girls?
Asan yung kulay?
Pink ka? Ikaw, sis
Blue.
Rhea. Purple. Ikaw? Red.
Blue.
Blue sa'yo. So, ako, gusto ko talaga, sana nakuha ko tong violet, same with Rhea. Sobrang cute na ito. Oo, surprise. Hindi mo siya
yan.
malaman kung ano siya. So, ipigit ko yung mata ko, ha? Cheer nyo ako, ha?
1.
Yeah.
Blue, 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 blue. Wow, purple!
Ako, ito ka. Wow! Thank you so much! Sa ating Pananas Sisters. Oo, nakapigit talaga siya actually. Yan, oh my gosh, pwede mo siyang ilapit.
Magkamukha kami.
Yan, ang cute, thank you. Panana Girls,
Yes.
and Sisters, and Jen of course.
Yes.
Thank you. Ang ganda. Thank you rin, Sis Kuya. Don't forget to visit Danny Chloe Cafe. Thank you for the celebration, girls. I love you!
Yay!
Happy birthday! Thank you,
Happy birthday!
Love you all.